December 3rd and 4th, 2025 witnessed an unprecedented moment in robotics history. Tesla and Figure released videos of their humanoid robots running within 20 hours of each other. Tesla's Optimus 2.5 demonstrated running capabilities on December 3rd. Figure founder Brett Adcock responded less than 20 hours later with footage of the Figure.03 humanoid robot running. The back-to-back releases ignited immediate comparisons across the robotics industry. Tesla reposted a running video of Optimus 2.5 on social platform X on December 3rd. The company added the caption, stating it just set a new personal record in the lab. Platform user Joachim Viskinde tagged Figure's official account in the comments section with a challenge. Adcock responded on December 4th with video footage of Figure's F.03 robot running. Adcock stated that the F.03 robot controller is powered by an onboard neural network developed by the Helix team. The demonstration marked Figure's first public showing of running capability. The response came after sustained public pressure from social media users calling for Figure to match Tesla's achievement. The timing created a direct comparison between the two leading humanoid robot manufacturers. A brokerage firm analyzing Optimus's running posture stated this represents the robot's first true run. Based on video analysis, Optimus's speed is estimated to be around 2.5 to 3 meters per second. This pace is close to human jogging speed. The analysis noted smooth weight transfer, seamless foot landing and push-off, and natural arm swings. Visible elastic flexion and extension of the knee and ankle joints during acceleration were also observed. The running demonstrations represent a significant technical milestone for humanoid robotics. Running requires managing momentum, dynamic balance, predictive foot placement, and rapid adjustments in real time. Both companies achieved this capability nearly simultaneously. The parallel development indicates the entire field is accelerating faster than industry projections anticipated. Tesla has been developing its Optimus humanoid robot since the announcement at the company's Artificial Intelligence Day event on August 19, 2021. A prototype was shown in 2022. The Optimus Generation 2 was unveiled in December 2023 with improvements in speed, weight, dexterity, and balance. Factory testing began in 2024 with Optimus filmed folding laundry and performing basic autonomous tasks. Figure AI emerged from stealth in early 2023. The company announced its first robot in March 2023 and unveiled the second revision, Figure 02, in August 2024. Figure 03 was announced in October 2025. The company raised $675 million in Series B funding in February 2024, valuing the startup at $2.6 billion. Investors include Microsoft, OpenAI Startup Fund, NVIDIA, Jeff Bezos, and Amazon Industrial Innovation Fund. Figure 02 robots completed an 11-month deployment at BMW Group plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. The robots ran 10-hour shifts Monday through Friday with 1,250 hours of runtime. They loaded more than 90,000 parts and contributed to the production of over 30,000 BMW X3 vehicles. The deployment provided critical data that informed the build procedures and mechanical design of Figure 03. Tesla expects to begin mass production of Optimus in the near future. CEO Elon Musk previously estimated a price between $20,000 and $30,000 once production reaches scale. The company revealed it has a dedicated build line in Fremont and plans to add a Giga Texas facility capable of producing up to 10 million units annually. Tesla has a target to build 1 million Optimus robots by the end of 2026. The competing demonstrations occurred amid heightened U.S. government interest in robotics. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has been meeting with CEOs in the robotics industry. According to two informed sources, the government is considering issuing an executive order on robotics in 2026. The U.S. Department of Transportation is preparing to announce a robotics task force, which may be established by the end of 2025. The robot industry chain in Hong Kong stock markets reacted positively to the news on December 4th. Ubtech Robotics gained 3.66%, Dobot gained 0.87%, and Horizon Robotics gained 6.97%. Xiaomi Group, SMIC, Hua Hong Semiconductor, and Xpeng Motors also saw gains. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has been meeting with robotics CEOs. The government is considering issuing an executive order on robotics in 2026. Companies hope to obtain tax incentives or federal funding to accelerate widespread robot deployment. Founder Securities stated that companies consider robots as the physical manifestation of AI. Li Chao, Deputy Director of the Policy Research Office of the National Development and Reform Commission, stated the embodied intelligence industry is growing at over 50% annually. Market research firms forecast the market scale will reach 100 billion yuan by 2030. China has over 150 humanoid robot companies, with more than half being startups. Running capability distinguishes humanoid robots from earlier generations limited to walking and scripted tasks. The ability to run at human jogging speeds opens applications in logistics, emergency response, and dynamic factory environments. Both Tesla and Figure demonstrated their systems can maintain balance and coordination at higher speeds. Tesla's approach leverages the full self-driving technology stack adapted for bipedal locomotion. Figure's Helix neural network enables the robot to process visual data and natural language input. Both companies are preparing for large-scale production beginning in 2026. Tesla is constructing a massive Optimus manufacturing facility at Gigafactory, Texas. Figure is expanding into a new Bay Area location with 10 times the square footage of its Sunnyvale headquarters. Figure became a revenue-generating company in December 2024 when it delivered Figure 02 systems to a commercial client. Tesla has deployed Optimus units across its factories for real-world tasks. The December 2025 demonstrations represent an inflection point where multiple companies simultaneously achieved a capability previously limited to advanced research laboratories.
A world where everyone has access to the best surgeons, literally everyone. And Optimus will have a level of precision that is frankly superhuman, and will be able to do medical procedures, of very sophisticated medical procedures, any medical procedure, perhaps things that really humans can't even do because they're too difficult. And that will be available to...
Elon Musk just made a huge announcement that has everyone talking. He said that Optimus robots will soon be performing surgeries with unbelievable precision. This could change healthcare forever. But what does this really mean for the future of medicine and for all of us? The world is waiting to find out.
The robots will be able to make anyone a house. And, as long as you don't just on it being in a particular location, you can have robots will be able to build you a castle if you want.
Elon Musk appeared on Barron Capital with analyst Ron Barron, where he outlined his vision for Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot in the medical field. The billionaire entrepreneur made specific claims about the robot's capabilities that extend far beyond current industrial applications. Musk stated that Optimus will achieve a level of surgical precision that surpasses human ability. He described scenarios where the robot performs complex medical procedures that are currently too difficult for human surgeons to execute. The robot's hand dexterity, according to Musk, was specifically designed to enable surgical and precision medical actions. Imagine a world where everyone has access to the best surgeons, literally everyone, Musk said during the interview. And Optimus will have the level of precision that is frankly superhuman and will be able to do medical procedures, very sophisticated medical procedures, any medical procedure, perhaps things that humans can't even do because they're too difficult. The Tesla CEO addressed what he considers a fundamental limitation in healthcare delivery. He pointed to the finite number of highly skilled surgeons and physicians as a bottleneck that money alone cannot solve. Musk argued that exceptional medical professionals do not scale, creating an inherent inequality in healthcare access globally. His proposed solution centers on mass production. Musk stated that while great doctors and surgeons don't grow on trees, Optimus robots will be built in factories, theoretically removing the supply constraint. This manufacturing approach would transform elite surgical care from a scarce resource into an abundant one. The announcement represents Tesla's most ambitious application for Optimus to date. The humanoid robot, which Tesla has been developing for several years, was previously showcased performing tasks like folding laundry, walking, and basic object manipulation. Medical surgery represents a significant leap in complexity and precision requirements. Musk connected this technological capability to broader social goals. He stated that people frequently discuss eliminating poverty and providing universal access to quality medical care, but lack concrete implementation methods. According to Musk, Optimus addresses this gap by making the highest level of medical expertise universally available. The statements come as Tesla continues development of its humanoid robot platform. The company has demonstrated various prototypes at public events, showing incremental improvements in mobility, dexterity, and task execution. Tesla operates a robotics facility where engineers work on advancing the robot's capabilities. Musk's vision for Optimus extends beyond individual patient care. He framed the technology as a solution to systemic healthcare inequality, where geographic location and economic resources currently determine access to specialized medical treatment. By deploying Optimus units globally, Tesla aims to democratize access to expert-level surgical procedures. The precision requirements for medical robotics are substantial. Surgical robots currently in use, such as the Da Vinci surgical system, operate under direct control of trained surgeons. Musk's description suggests Optimus would function with greater autonomy, executing procedures independently while maintaining superhuman precision standards. Tesla's approach to medical robotics differs from existing platforms in its humanoid form factor. Current surgical robots are purpose-built machines designed for specific procedures. Optimus, as a general-purpose humanoid robot, would theoretically adapt to various medical tasks using the same physical platform. The manufacturing scale Musk envisions would require significant production capacity. Tesla currently produces electric vehicles at multiple factories worldwide. Applying similar mass production techniques to humanoid robots presents distinct challenges in terms of complexity and cost structure. Musk positioned this development within his broader competitive strategy. The United States faces increasing competition in robotics development from China and other nations. By advancing Optimus capabilities in high-value applications like surgery, Musk aims to establish American leadership in the humanoid robotics sector. The regulatory pathway for autonomous surgical robots remains undefined. Medical devices require extensive testing and approval from agencies like the FDA before clinical deployment. Autonomous systems performing surgery would face additional scrutiny regarding safety protocols and liability frameworks. Tesla has not released a timeline for when Optimus might begin performing medical procedures. The company continues to refine basic capabilities like walking stability and object manipulation. Achieving surgical-grade precision represents a substantially higher bar than current demonstrated abilities. The interview with Baron Capital marks the first time Musk has publicly emphasized medical applications for Optimus in such detail. Previous statements focused primarily on manufacturing and household tasks. This shift in messaging indicates Tesla's evolving strategy for the robot's commercial deployment. Musk's statement that Optimus will eliminate poverty through universal healthcare access makes a direct causal claim. He argued that limited access to elite medical care contributes to poverty conditions, and removing this bottleneck through robot surgeons addresses root causes. The technical specifications required for surgical precision involve multiple systems working in concert. Visual processing must identify anatomical structures accurately. Haptic feedback systems must provide force sensing during tissue manipulation. Motion control systems must execute movements at sub-millimeter accuracy while compensating for any instability. Tesla's vertical integration approach applies to Optimus development. The company designs its own actuators, sensors, and control systems rather than sourcing components from specialized medical robotics suppliers. This strategy mirrors Tesla's approach to electric vehicle production. Competition in the humanoid robotics space includes companies like Boston Dynamics, Figure AI, and several Chinese manufacturers. Musk's emphasis on American leadership reflects awareness of this competitive landscape. He has previously stated that China is developing humanoid robots at a rapid pace, creating urgency for US advancement. The Baron Capital interview reached audiences across social media platforms, with multiple clips circulating on X. Users shared Musk's statements about superhuman precision and universal access to surgical care. The announcement generated discussion in both robotics and medical communities about feasibility and implementation challenges.